A big hello and a warm welcome to Brand Equity's New Year special with me, Ranveer Singh. The only show that gives you a deep understanding of what advertising and marketing is all about.
Ranveer, you stole my show and my job.
You stole my heart, what about that?
So as you can see, I have with me one of the most talented actors in the country, none other than Ranveer Singh, who's also the guest editor of Brand Equity. Thank you so much, Ranveer, for doing this and for doing the Advertising Review 2015 with me.
Guest editor?
Absolutely.
I didn't know I was guest editor.
Thank you so much,
Wow,
Ranveer.
thank you.
So much.
मेरी इतनी value बढ़ा दी Brand Equity ने. वाह, मैं guest editor. Wow.
You know, before I kickstart this show, not a lot of people know that you're actually an advertising boy yourself.
Yeah.
Before you embraced Bollywood,
Yeah.
you were working with Ogilvy and JWT.
Yes, I was.
Tell me about that.
Well, it's been my lifelong dream to be an actor. But at one point in my life, it seemed too far-fetched a thing for me to get a break in Bollywood, big, bad, nepotistic Bollywood. So I was like, okay, let me do something that I also enjoy. That's also one of my passions. I remember in school, we had this competition, and I think every school should do it really, if you ask me. They had this competition and they'd give you these different products, and they'd be like, think of a name, think of a tagline, and think of like a TV spot or something, write it out, and the best one will win. And I came first. Woohoo!
Oh, when was it in school?
This was in like 7th standard or something.
Okay.
So I always remembered that, and I was like, that's also something I had really enjoyed, you know, I would love to do, and I wonder if I can do it as a profession. And at the age of 15, I asked around, and apparently there were these people called copywriters who did this for a living. So I was like, I want to be a copywriter. So I told my dad, and he made some calls. He had some friends in the administration side of the advertising industry, and they sent me over. So first I went to Lintas.
Wow.
At the age of 15 actually.
Okay.
And at the age of 18 I went to JWT, and then at the age of 19 I did O&M in Bombay, and worked with some really wonderful talented people, you know, Zahir Mirza and Sukesh Nayak,
Wow.
Hiral Desai, and I worked on some really cool brands, and I wrote some really cool shit, and my bosses were really impressed by me, because my writing would be very like, my writing would be very base, very lowest common denominator, straightforward, nothing much to it, just very high on entertainment value. Perhaps not very intelligent, but what you get with that is your ads actually sell.
Sure.
So as an intern, I was selling a lot of ads, and invariably more ads than my bosses, because they were only interested in writing like all those cerebral ones that they're going to take to Cannes and stuff, but
Sure.
not me. I was just having fun with it. So I was selling more ads than my bosses, which was a pretty incredible feat for an intern. So they said that, my boy, you definitely have a bright future.
In copywriting.
Yeah, in copywriting.
You never pursued it. You have the talent, but you didn't pursue it.
Yeah, I mean, I try and engage with that aspect of my creativity, you know, because now I do a lot of endorsements.
Yeah.
So whenever my creative input is welcome, or I'm invited to, you know, be a part of the whole discussion, like for Durex or many others, I kind of love to be a part of that whole, you know, ideating process, sitting around with a copywriter, you know.
Sure.
It takes me back to my copywriting days.
Which
It's a lot of
really
fun.
brings me to my next question, because I do believe that for Do the Rex, which was the campaign that went viral, and I don't know if you know, but it did very well on the YouTube leaderboard as well, which
Yeah.
is really the top ads, top viewed ads on YouTube.
That's awesome.
So, you know, I believe that for Do the Rex, a lot of creative input was actually taken from you, because you were pretty proactive.
It was a collaboration, I have to say. I did not coin Do the Rex. That was coined by the people I was working with, but the idea to do something, the concept was mine.
Sure.
I really thought to myself, you know, one day I was, I think, in Nagpur or Kanpur or something, and I'm in a car and I was doing promotions, and I'm just going and hoarding after hoarding, and someone's selling a bike, someone's selling this, someone's selling like pipes. So I was like, why isn't anybody selling a condom? You know, it's what our country really needs,
Sure.
you know, and God knows we need to stop thinking about sex as this dirty thing and a taboo subject, and we have to bring sex out of the closet, and the youth needs to know that it's okay to have an open and healthy discussion about sex without feeling dirty about it.
Sure.
It's a beautiful thing, it's perfectly natural, and our society has evolved. So I said, why not? I'll do it. So I called my talent managers and I said, ask Durex if they're interested, because I was thinking, I was like, condom, Durex, because I use Durex.
Awesome endorsement.
Yeah.
All right,
So
you're
I
on
was
brand
like, yeah.
equity.
So I was like, I was like, call Durex, and then they called them. Durex jumped at it, and then we ideated. It was a little bit of me, a little bit of them, and it became a grand success. And I was very, very happy because that was my first endorsement. We didn't even have the spends to put it on television. It was only digital on YouTube, and the first day it released, it just boom, it blew up.
This is a very, very interesting story. I didn't know that you're the one who called the brand and said, I want to do this.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's not the last time. There are a number of brands of mine that
You have called.
that I am pursuing, because I genuinely believe in the product, and I believe that creatively we'll be able to create something that'll really stand out.
Give me an example.
Adidas?
You call them.
No, I mean, when they, I was just a friend of the brand
Sure.
to begin with, but I told them that I really believe in their, their DNA and their sense of style and their great legacy, and I've grown up on the brand, and it's a genuine connect. So we should evolve the relationship, and I am now the Indian brand ambassador of Adidas Originals.
Wow.
High five.
High five. But just before I move ahead and get to the ads, I want to talk about you as a brand yourself. And if one actually observes you as a brand, it's a very, very interesting brand with many shades. You finished 5 years.
Yes.
So many congratulations. And in 5 years, you clearly have a positioning. You're edgy. You're really quirky in terms of your personality, in terms of your dressing. I want to know, and you're an honest guy so far. You've been very candid. So tell me, how much of it is conscious and scripted, where you say, I need to be different, I need to stand out. You are in the entertainment business. You can't be lost in the crowd. So how much is that I can't be an also-ran, and so you are conscious, and how much it is your natural self?
The thing is, at some point, in my first 2 years, to be honest, I wasn't really being myself and who I really am, because for me, Band Baja Barat happened and it was overnight fame.
Sure.
From complete obscurity to suddenly being thrust into the limelight. I had no idea what it meant to be a public figure, so I didn't know who to. I was at 6s and 7s. I was like, who am I supposed to be? What am I supposed to say? What am I supposed to wear? What am I supposed to be like? What am I supposed to come off as? There are too many questions, and there's too much attention for a person who's had a very, very normal upbringing.
Sure, yeah.
I hadn't grown up around anybody famous. I had no idea what it meant to be a public figure. So at my first 2 years, I wasn't really, it took me some time to get used to and comfortable to be myself in
Sure,
public.
yeah.
After that, a few things happened. 2013 happened. It was a big year for me professionally. I had critical acclaim for Lotera, and then the overall success of my breakthrough film, Ram Leela.
Yeah.
And that kind of validation allows you to be more comfortable
Yeah.
and be yourself. And then at some point, I started enjoying being myself, because I was very comfortable and very happy being myself, and it was not an effort to put on any kind of pretense. I didn't have to make that effort, because putting on a pretense can be very taxing. It's
Yeah,
a real
it's true.
effort. And the biggest thing, I believe, is that you can if it's about sustenance, what can you the only thing you can sustain for long enough
Is being authentic.
is being yourself.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's gonna run out.
Sure.
At some point.
Ranveer, the stage is now yours. At number 10, it's Fevikwik Todo Nahi Jodo. me about that campaign.
Well, okay, when I saw this on TV, I cracked up. So there's that border interaction happening. Firstly, these two actors that have been cast have some really cool expressions. Prasoon directed it.
That's correct.
Prasoon, who I have so much admiration for. He does such fabulous work. And
it's Piyush Pandey's creative idea.
yeah, it was a fabulous idea, really well executed. It's also got tremendous entertainment value. I mean, you can watch it over and over again, and the first time you'll probably crack up, and then after that it'll always make you smile. It'll put a smile on your face. It's a funny story actually. You know, the guy who's cast as the Indian soldier is somebody who I used to audition when I used to be an AD. In this in Mad Entertainment, who I used to be an
Sunil
assistant director
Manchanda,
on all of Sunil Manchanda's ad
Yeah.
films. So he's a guy who I used to regularly audition and very often cast. He's a very popular face in ads. I have to say his expressions and the expressions of his counterpart, they really make the ad. I think that it's not only a fabulous idea, but the way it's executed, you know, it just instantly connects. And it's one of those ads you look forward to in ad breaks. You know, very often it can get you know, tiresome.
It's got repeat value.
Ad breaks
Yeah.
can get
Yeah.
make you weary.
Sure.
But this is one of those that you're most happy to see over and over again.
Done. Let's move to number 9, and I believe you really enjoyed this one too. Mauka Mauka, the World Cup campaign.
Mauka, mauka.
ये वर्ल्ड कप नहीं, ये है वर्ल्ड वर्सेस इंडिया। आईसीसी क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप लाइव स्टार स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क पर।
What I find so cool about it is that it was so current. You know, I don't know how they did it.
Yeah, they thought-
The timing of its release
Sure.
was just golden. I mean, how did they even do that? Did they shoot options? कि ये जीतेगा तो ये ad डालेंगे, वो जीतेंगे तो वो ad डालेंगे. Did they have various
Yes.
scenarios and situations that they shot?
They did.
Or were they shooting as they went along? I couldn't figure it out.
One of the fastest conceptually and execution wise.
I mean, look at that timing.
Absolutely.
But whoever's done the music and whoever thought of this mukhra, as we like to call it in Bollywood,
Yeah.
this mauka, 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 and you know how Indians love it when you know we're able to take the mickey out of our neighbors. But mauka, mauka also massive points for its popularity. You know, it's one of those I feel, from what I could sense, it went into pop culture. You know, wherever you'd go for those few days that the campaign had hit and during that World Cup or whatever,
Yep.
everybody was like humming that tune. Everywhere you went, everybody was like mauka, mauka, and it started becoming a joke in colloquial interactions.
Yeah.
You know, they started using that concept of taking the mickey to sort of
Other situations.
yeah, in other situations in life, and like real life scenarios, real people start using it. That means it's made a huge impact. So massive points for hitting the mark and becoming extremely popular.
Many congratulations there to Mauka Mauka. And let's move on to number 8. This one, I must tell you that when Ranveer saw it, he was so confused how to rank it. But this is truly a wonderful ad. It's the HDFC Mutual Fund Start Early ad.
है उड़ते उछलते ख्वाबों के दम पे हर बात में छुपे गिरती पतंगे शरारत के लम्हे हर सांस में छुपे छोटी सी है दुनिया छोटे से ये ख्वाब छोटी सी ये दुनिया
कुछ चीजें जिंदगी में जल्दी शुरू कर देनी चाहिए, जैसे म्यूचुअल फंड्स। जितनी जल्दी निवेश, आगे उतना बेहतर फायदा। एन इन्वेस्टर एजुकेशन इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम HDFC म्यूचुअल फंड।
What a thought! Some things you should start early, like
Like swimming.
like swimming, you know, because it's such a, you know, there's an insight there. Being a swimmer myself, I know that this is This is a very common situation that you find yourself in. As a youngster who has started early, you'll always see that there's this uncle or this auntie who's just struggling in the pool. So to have that vision, to recognize that very real life, commonplace situation, tie it together to this thought of some things you should start early, and such a cute execution that between this little girl and this auntie, there's this little, engagement going on.
Sure.
But the best part is how they've said it, how there's a lot of ads in this list that have a lot of time to tell their story. But this was super crisp, very, very concise, and it gets a chuckle out of you. So on all fronts, the idea, the insight, the execution, for me, definitely up there in the highest ranking ads of the year.
Let's move to number 7. At number 7, it's the Truly Madly Qawwali by a group of people who are very close to you, the AIB.
Truly Madly presents Creep Qawwali.
उस्ताद ज़करबर्ग ने जब किया फेसबुक का इन्वेंशन, there was one thing he forgot to mention, कि हर इनबॉक्स में एक नहीं 2 फोल्डर होंगे, एक में होंगे फ्रेंड्स के मैसेज और अदर फोल्डर में क्रीप्स होंगे।
क्या बात है।
देखा मैंने अदर फोल्डर, couldn't believe my eyes, पूरे 50 मैसेज from all that turkey guys। खोला मैंने पहला मैसेज, it was a revelation, Heather you look najiaret, 888888 exclamation, अरे नादान बालक, hey naive child, who the hell are you?
Hang on, he's typing.
Oh baby, you're really good. Handsome के पास आ जाओ.
Ruffle, 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 lama, ruffle, 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 lama, ruffle, 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 lama, ruffle, 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 lama। मेरा अदर फोल्डर पढ़ के मुझको हुआ यकीन है, मेरा अदर फोल्डर पढ़ के मुझको हुआ यकीन है। इंटरनेट पे आशिकों की कमी नहीं है, ओ मेरे क्रीप से क्रीपी कोई क्रीप नहीं है, ओ मेरे क्रीप से क्रीपी कोई क्रीप नहीं है, ओ मेरे क्रीप से क्रीपी कोई क्रीप नहीं है।
Actually, your creep isn't even a legit creep. For my shadi, he is someone my mom would like to meet.
वाह, क्या बर्न किया है, जला दिया by God।
शाम को मैं घर को लौटी आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग डे एट वर्क। मेरी बिल्डिंग के नीचे खड़ा था वो जर। अगले दिन फिर वो मिला, वॉचमैन बन के मिला, लिफ्टमैन बन के मिला, सुबह शाम रात मिला। अगले दिन पिज्जा लाया, said something really shady, really shady, really shady. What he said was really shady. I deliver your pizza. Will you deliver my baby? Will you deliver my baby? Oh, तेरा creep Facebook के सिवा कहीं नहीं है। I can bet you मेरा creep छुपा यहीं कहीं है। मेरे मोहल्ले में आशिकों की कमी नहीं है। मेरे creep से creepy कोई creep नहीं है। मेरे creep से creepy कोई creep नहीं है। मेरे creep से creepy कोई creep नहीं है।
ओ मेरे क्रीप से क्रीपी कोई क्रीप नहीं है,
मेरे creep से creepy कोई creep नहीं है।
मेरे क्रीप ने अपने हाथ का नस काट दिया,
मेरे creep ने अपना हाथ ही उखाड़ दिया।
उसने हमारी शादी के कार्ड बांटे हैं,
उसने हमारे बच्चों के नाम रखे हैं।
मेरे क्रीप ने व्हाट्सएप पे अपनी पिक भेजी है,
मेरे creep ने WhatsApp पे अपनी भेजी है।
वो मुझे अपनी फोटोज पे टैग करता है,
वो भी मुझे अपनी
प्रोफाइल पिक महंगी गाड़ी है,
उसकी प्रोफाइल पिक भी महंगी गाड़ी है।
मेरा क्रीप मुझे प्यार से बुलबुल बुलाता है,
मेरा क्रीप भी मुझे प्यार से बुलबुल बुलाता है।
क्या तेरे क्रीप का नाम एस से शुरू होता है?
क्या तेरे क्रीप का सरनेम के से शुरू होता है?
सुरेश
कुमार? इस दुनिया में, इस दुनिया में, इस दुनिया में आशिकों की कमी नहीं है। हमारे क्रीप से क्रीपी कोई क्रीप नहीं है, 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 हमारे क्रीप से क्रीपी कोई क्रीप नहीं है।
Truly Madly, a dating app. Firstly, the concept, right? A creep kawali.
Yep.
A kawali about, you know, it had a bit of a, what is that group's name, yeah? The Lonely Island.
Okay.
You know, it has a bit of Lonely Island going on, but to see that in a very Indian context, even the writing is very true to
Yep.
Indian experiences.
Absolutely.
And it's extremely well performed, extremely well conceptualized, well executed. The costumes, you know, it's such a typical like filmy situation.
yeah,
also,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know, there's a Qawwali battle going on. It was a lot of fun to watch.
I want to move on to number 6, and I must tell you, you know that the number 6 ad was very well received within the industry, because for the first time, I mean, no offense to you because you're a celebrity too, but you know, a lot of celebrities endorse products, but it's so wasted. Like we keep telling them, don't use celebrities because, you know, nobody believes them in any case. But this was one ad that used a celebrity.
Don't do that. You're going to put me out of jobs.
But you are pitching yourself.
क्यों मेरे पेट पे क्यों लात मार रही है यार? ऐसे मत कर यार.
But one ad which was, the celebrity was used so well that it made sense, and I'm talking about at number 6, the Ambuja Cement, the Khali ad.
घर एक स्वर्ग होता है, जैसे चाहे रो जियो, लेकिन मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं था।
बड़ा प्यारा बेटा है खली, बस कभी कभी अपनी ही ताकत नहीं समझ पाता।
जिस ताकत ने मेरे को दुनिया भर में मान सम्मान दिलाया, वही ताकत मेरी प्रॉब्लम बन गई। कभी सोचता था मैं अगर मैं औरों की तरह होता, पर मेरी माँ कहती थी नहीं बेटे, तू स्पेशल है। और ऐसा ही चलता रहा। अपने आप को मैं हेल्पलेस फील करता था। फिर एक दिन मौसी ने बताया अंबुजा सीमेंट से घर बना लो। उसके बाद पता चला घर पे रहने का मजा है।
Virat Compressive Strength, Ambuja Cement.
The Khali is a really endearing man.
Yes.
You know, and perhaps the best use of celebrity in
Absolutely.
any ad. You know, Ambuja Cement, who would have thought? But these guys thought it up, and they used him so beautifully, and he's so endearing.
Absolutely.
You know, he's this gentle giant who's got a heart of gold, and he's such a great ambassador for Ambuja Cement. And the way they've used him, like falling through walls and
Absolutely.
all Papa ji मैंने मुझे कहा कि Ambuja Cement को दो. So yeah, Khali's a sweetheart. The way they've used him, you know, very nice out of the box connect, and another one of those ads that I really look forward to, that gives you a good warm feeling, and that translates into the brand. So now I have a warm feeling about this brand thanks to the use of Khali, the way they've used him, you know, and top marks for celebrity engagement within the ad. Superb stuff. बस advertising fraternity ना डंडे लेके आने वाली है मेरे पास.
देख सो आपको इतनी एंडोर्समेंट मिलने वाले इसके बाद.
अच्छा, ये हुई ना बात.
At number 5, Ranveer's pick is Nestle, a salute to Fauja Singh.
मेरा नाम फौजा सिंह है, मैं 104 साल की उम्र हो गई यार।
His first marathon, when he did it, he was still 89. And when he broke the 6-hour mark at the age of 93, that in itself was remarkable. Having completed a marathon in under 8 hours at the age of 101 is another record. 100 metres, 200 metres, 400 metres, 800 metres, 1500 metres, 3000 metres and 5000 metres, and he set 5 records in 94 minutes.
खुशी की सेहत आन होंगी आ मैं अपनी खुशी से भागना मैंने कोई रुकावटां दा कोई पैसों का कोई किराए का कोई महसूस नहीं होंदा सज्जन दा मेरा करे फायदा जे बच्चे सारे दौड़ने वाले दिल्ली दौड़ जान फिर भी फायदा सब दौड़ते आ जरूर जान रौनक बढ़ाओ अपनी सेहत बढ़ाओ.
And he has actually said he will continue running until he dies, and he will continue running even after he's dead. I believe that for any individual to be successful and continue to be successful for over 100 years, you do need that passion, you do need that aim.
You are just in complete wonderment. ये कहाँ से ये बंदा identify किया लेकर आए and what connect पे connect. They're supporting this marathon. He's a marathon runner. He's completed 100 years. They've completed 100 years. मतलब आप कितना connect कर आप writer भैया आप मतलब it's impeccable.
Sure.
And that when that comes together, you're just wowed. The effect is wow. Also, he may not be a celebrity. I'm sure he's a celebrity in his own right. But to tell this story, of such an amazing man, these qualities that you admire about this man, it translates to the brand. So now you feel the same way about Nestle, thanks to Fauja Singh, and it's incredibly well done. So whoever thought this up, superb stuff.
Yep. Also, this came at a time when Nestle was going through a really bad phase.
Yeah.
Because Maggi had been banned, and
Correct.
as we know now, there was actually no lead in it.
Correct.
So
in any case, I think people should just eat chings.
That was a good one. That was a good one. For the uninitiated, he is the brand ambassador for Chings.
My name is Ranveer Ching. Advertising fraternity के मेरे दोस्तों, I know what you feel about that ad of mine. I know, but believe me, it became a really popular. After Shah Rukh, Mayur Khan, it was the first time a celebrity had actually lended one's name to the brand. Because I'm thinking, I'm in Antalya in Turkey, thinking, क्या करें Chings के साथ क्या करें? He had a very simple problem, right? Mr. Ajay Gupta from the company, and he said, there's no issue. People are buying it. It's flying off the shelves. They just don't know what they're buying. They're like noodle dena, ye dena. They just don't know that it's Chings. So he needed the name to ring, because when he's now going to from sauces do instant noodles and soups and stuff, he needs that name to register. Okay, this is Chings ka noodles. Okay, this is Chings ka masalas. They are the guys who make that wonderful sauce that I like.
Yep.
So that's what he just needed, the name to become popular. I was like, name Ranveer Singh, trying to sell Ching. Ching, Ranveer Ching. हो गया नक्की. Next day गाना बनाओ, music video shoot करो.
Do you get a cut for those great ideas?
I wish. But I deserve it, don't I?
I think so. I think so.
So yeah, my Ranveer Ching was coined by me, and then we decided to make this popular number. My name is Ranveer Ching, and it became really popular. I was myself very surprised at how well it did. But yeah, there's a sequel to that coming up that I really think.
कितने plug करोगे?
नहीं, there's a Return of Ranveer Ching is coming in 2016.
Do tune in.
Yeah, you watch out for it. It's bigger, badder, bolder.
At number 4, it's Gillette, the best a fan can get.
मेरा नाम मंगेश गणपतराव कदम है. पैदाइशी क्रिकेट फैन हूँ. बचपन से ही मुझे इस खेल का शौक था. एक दिन विकेट के कुछ ज्यादा ही पास कीपिंग का शौक हुआ और उड़ गई साइड स्क्रीन. न रहा मुदस्सर, न रही नजर. रिटायर हर्ट हुआ पर रिटायर नहीं हुआ। तब से आज तक हर मैच सुरेश की आंखों से देखा है। सुरेश मेरा बेटा 83 में अनहोनी को होनी होते हुए देखा। कपिल की 32 वाली हंसी और अपनी आंखों में खुशी के आंसू देखे। कलर टीवी के रंगों में क्या क्या नहीं देखा। वनडे नाइट में खेलते हुए देखा। सुरेश ने बोला इंडिया आसमान का रंग पहनता है, स्काई ब्लू। एक दिन एक चमत्कार को पैदा होते हुए देखा।
सचिन सचिन।
द्रविड़ का फॉरवर्ड डिफेंस, कुंबले की फास्ट स्लो बॉलिंग, इंडिया को फील्डिंग भी सीखते हुए देखा। कुछ सालों में इंडियन क्रिकेट कितना बड़ा हो गया ना, अपने सुरेश की तरह। तब तक क्या बताओ क्या क्या दिखने लगा मुझे। हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट, 6 बॉल्स में 6 छक्के। फिर वो दिन आ ही गया, सुरेश को खुद की अपनी नई पार्टनरशिप शुरू करने का दिन। सोचा अब मैं भी कब तक खेलूं। अब मेरा वो आसमानी रंग सिर्फ आसमान ही पहनेगा।
ओह, that was so close.
कौन?
मुझे नहीं लगता उसने बैट ग्राउंड किया। I think his bat is in the air.
द्रविड़?
Mr. Kadam?
This is unbelievable.
No sir, you are unbelievable. ये टूर्नामेंट में आपके साथ देख लूं?
बचपन से देख रहा हूं क्रिकेट, थोड़े और साल देख लूं।
It really touched me, and the way it culminates, it just makes you beam, you know, it puts a smile on your face. And they have this tagline which everybody knows, the best a man can get, and they kind of did a variation which I thought was brave and cool, big step, best a fan can get. He's a cricket fan, he's obviously then a fan of Rahul Dravid, and it's beautiful writing and it's really well executed. But yeah, the heart of this ad is just.
Let's move on to number 3, which is a very different genre compared to the one we're discussing right now. It's the cutting edge bold campaign by Myntra, Anouk's campaign, the lesbian ad.
ब्लू पहन रही है? I thought your mother likes orange.
Likes? Oh, she loves orange. I used to look like a damn marigold in all my childhood pictures. You know where my kajal is? I'm using yours.
Don't break it, huh?
By the way, it's 4 o'clock, huh?
कब आ रहे?
Must be on the way.
अच्छा, मैं उनके लिए कॉफ़ी बनाऊँ?
पक्का South Indians da. They won't like your coffee.
तू ही बना ले.
अच्छा, listen. Which one?
This one.
Okay.
I'm taking a shower, right?
அப்பா எங்கே இருக்கீங்க? சரி சரி சின்னாள்ல யார் வரச்சே கால் பண்ணுங்கப்பா. அம்மா ஓகேவா? சரி. You're wearing my kurta.
I want your mom to like me.
Amma doesn't like girls in short hair.
You only asked me to cut my hair.
I like you in short hair. What?
You sure about this?
I'm sure about us. And I don't want to hide it anymore. Appa, you reached? Seri, we'll just come down.
So Mintra's Anouk. First of all, Mintra. What's up? Remember me?
What happened?
I bet you're kicking yourself now. Look at the look. Just take a close up. See the look in my eye. Does it tell you anything? But good job, guys. Good job. Good job with Anouk. That's good stuff. See, मेरा दिल सच्चा है. हाँ? जब कोई अच्छा काम करता है, जो दिल से काम करता है, तो I don't. Anyway.
ये किस्सा क्या है लेके?
ये किस्सा क्या है? मिंत्रा वालों से पूछ लो. But anyway, Anouk, very nice. It really has a great insight and comment on this very deeply ingrained bias that very closed traditionally we're very close to these ideas.
Yep.
And a great message, a great tie-in to the tagline and the concept, the idea, and really beautifully executed. You know, I think the tagline was like, "Be bold." Yeah, be bold. Don't fear these biases, and do whatever works, whatever's in your heart. You should do it and follow it, and be bold, be brave.
You're a bold actor. You know, you've always been cutting edge. You break taboos. If somebody offered you a role to play a film, and the script really was you playing a homosexual person and struggling with your partner, and that's the film, so it's definitely not going to be mainline, also will receive a lot of objections from society at large, because we generally are a society that takes a lot of offense. Would you do it?
Yeah, absolutely. Why not? I mean, I love to explore different characters. I would love to do something like that, especially if it has a strong, social comment. And
you wouldn't be afraid that you're a leading man.
Does it look like I'm afraid? Yeah, of course, it will be an unconventional choice for a leading man in mainstream Hindi films.
Yep.
But I've never shied away from making those choices. If the script is strong, if it really connects emotionally to me, I'd be more than happy to do it. I have no issues whatsoever.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. At number 2, this is of course a film that was appreciated by one and all. It's none other than JSW, The Will of Steel, the Geeta Phogat story.
भाई औरत का धर्म के होया करे। सूरज फूटने से पहले उठ जाना, पूजा पाठ करना और साफ सफाई करके चूल्हे चौके में लग जाना। यूं ही करने के लिए बनी से औरत, कसरत कुश्ती के लेना। यो मर्दों वाली चीज है, इसमें ताकत और कलेजा लागे। और लंगोट पहन लेने से कुछ नहीं होता। मर्द बनने के लिए मर्द बन के पैदा होना पड़े। कौन से शास्त्रों में लिखा है भाई कि औरत भी दंगल लड़ सके? अरे लिखाई होता तो द्रौपदी खुद ना भिड़ जाती दुर्योधन से। गाय जितना भी घूम ले खूंटा तोड़ के नहीं जाती। घर की लक्ष्मी घर में ही अच्छी लागे, और जो लक्ष्मण रेखा पार करके जाएगी तो सारे कुल की नाक कटाएगी।
Talk to me about that guitar riff in the end, buddy. Who has directed this ad? It is absolutely incredible, stunner of an ad. Just one of the best directed ads that I've seen. The idea is simple. This girl, she's got a will of steel, connects to JSW, shows her strength. Again, through this person, you see there's so many attributes and virtues of this person that this person embodies, that you then relate to the brand JSW. It really works. Again, deep message about and social commentary about this bias against girls being in sports. Girls, there's this really chauvinistic, misogynistic voiceover of this Haryanvi man, who's saying all about her place is in the kitchen, and she ought to be doing this and she ought to be doing that, and shastron mein likha hai, otherwise she'd be born a man, and stuff like that. So that juxtaposition of what the visuals that you're seeing of this girl who's grinding versus all the biases that she's perhaps had to face and her family has had to face for her choosing to be in wrestling. It all works. It's so beautifully directed, my God. The editing, the world, that authenticity, that candidness, the kind of shots that are taken, the editing, the music, the use of voiceover and its juxtaposition. It's one of those ads that really benefits from the execution. And again, very inspiring story. Very, very pertinent social comment. Yeah. It all works, and really, I mean, I was watching it like that. I was like, yeah, top-notch stuff. One of my favorites.
And now to move on to the number one, or the film for 2015, and this is actually a very a different choice, an alternate choice. And I must tell you that Ranveer Singh just didn't come in and start shooting. He took the time, he watched all the films. And the number one film for the year 2015 is, I'm not sure if many of you all have seen it, but it truly touches the chord. And I must reveal at this point that when this was being shown to him, Ranveer actually broke down. It really did actually, touch you deep down there.
Yeah.
And for the number one campaign, this is a campaign not many of you all have watched. Having said that, it's one of the most heartwarming campaigns that one has seen in recent times. It's SkyMet's Weather Initiative, Help the Farmer.
पापा दुनिया स्कूल जाना
छुप के गुपचुप से ताको तेरी राहें गुमसुम सी छुप छुप से क्यों तेरी हवाएं पापा मन के बादलों में जाने क्या है तू छिपाए, मन के बादलों में डर से मन मचल रहा कि तेरे मन में क्या चल रहा। कमली के पापा, हरिया चाचा, सुखी के पापा, डर से मन मचल रहा। पापा डर से मन मचल रहा कि तेरे मन में क्या चल रहा। ओ मौसम, ओ मौसम, ओ मौसम, ओ मौसम।
You know, it's shown from the little girl's point of view, and it's beautifully acted, gut-wrenching, heart-wrenching issue, and you know, there's a suspense value to it.
Sure, yeah.
There is, when you see it from the daughter's point of view, it's just, it breaks your heart. It really does, and I'm so happy that it doesn't end in tragedy, because I don't think I'd be able to handle it. It scores very, very high for me, and as high as it does, because of course the execution is absolutely brilliant. Just an immense amount of honesty in it. You know, when it's pretty straight. You know, it's not trying to be smart. It's telling you very straight up what it's trying to say.
It's pretty direct, you're
yeah,
saying,
but
yeah.
it's very, very honest. And but the fact of the matter is, when I saw it, it touched me so deeply. It made me want to go out and do my bit for farmer suicides. Such is the power of that ad.
Wow.
So yes, it is straightforward. Yes, it benefits from the subject matter because it's very potent and very pertinent. Yes, it benefits from the brilliance of its direction and execution. But one can't deny that when one watches it, it is so powerful an experience that it makes you want to go out and do your bit. At least in the past year, best thing I've seen.
And on that note, we finish our top 10 countdown. Thank you so much, Ranveer. Thank you for taking time out and going through all this work and taking time and doing this for us. I would have had it no other way. I would have had no one. Thank you so much once again.
I only came to spend time with you.
That makes my year even better. It's just about begun. But on that note, thank you so much. A very happy new year to you. I hope 2016 you own going forward, and the last 5 years have been brilliant for you. And here's to 2016, you owning it and rocking it as you always do.
Thank you. More ads, more endorsements, more brands as a tribute to the top 10. One of the most popular jingles of the year, which I think will go down in the annals of Indian advertising history as one of those things that just penetrated pop culture. But you'll have to do it with me.
Done.
Mocha, 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 mocha. Sing it. Mocha, 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 mocha. High five.
Thank you.